Cardano to make millionaires. Who wants to be rich at the end of the year? This question can bring the answer to the chorus everywhere. And of course, otherwise, everyone wants a million. Welcome back to Undervalued, and today we'll be talking about Cardano making millionaires. But before we get started, subscribe to our channel to never miss a crypto update. So without any further delay, let's get started, quickly. The trading industry has always been considered the domain of rich people, but when it comes to investing in Bitcoin, you can think of it as a new way to get your fortune in the short term. If you go back to some pages of Bitcoin history, you'll see that even part of Bitcoin has become a millionaire of people, provided if you have the right method and idea to perform a Bitcoin transaction. The golden rule of Cardano investment. All investments are subject to specific rules and regulations, so you can get the most out of your trading. Here are some rules you need to follow when investing in Bitcoin. Number 1. Get Cardano. The first rule of all investments is that you need to keep your assets on your own for long periods. This rule applies to all types of investments. The longer you can keep your assets on your own, the more likely you are to have a high marginal profit. If you think of your assets like Cardano, long-term investment in Bitcoin is very important. History shows that even the most volatile assets will continue to increase in the value of bits in the future. So if you have a long-term investment in Cardano, you can make a profit. Several investors have left Cardano untouched for several years. Use this hands-on example to understand why long-term investment in Bitcoin is key to success. Number 2. Keep them very safe. Cardano is a digital-based currency, therefore security should be a priority. When processing transactions and investments in the form of Bitcoin, you need to make sure that they're not exposed to any kind of external threat. You also need to ensure that your wealth does not stay in the replacement wallet for long periods. It is advisable to keep all Bitcoins in a private wallet controlled by the keys you have. You also need a trusted person with access to Cardano, so that your heirs can benefit from your Bitcoin when you are not there. Is Cardano an investment by a millionaire maker? It may be a shock to some, but Cardano's token, ADA, is far ahead of other major cryptocurrencies in terms of performance over the last decade. Cardano started the year at 18 cents, but recovered quickly and traded at 32 cents within a week. Cardano has maintained a positive price trend since the beginning of the year, with some fluctuations. Cardano's biggest backlash began in February when the currency jumped from 34 cents to 95 cents in less than 2 weeks. By February 21, cryptocurrencies have broken the $1 mark and are currently trading at $1.08. So, what do you make in Cardano? Is it an investment by a millionaire maker? Many investors feel that there is a lot of hype around cryptocurrencies like Cardano, as investors and crypto enthusiasts want to find the next big token. Well-known buyers are fueling even more hype. An example of this is the announcement that Gene Simmons has purchased a $3,000 ADA. Can Cardano become a millionaire maker? Cardano is the world's 5th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, with a market capitalization of approximately $30 billion. Cardano is projected to grow significantly after 2021 due to its technological advances over other cryptocurrencies. Cardano's decentralized nature and its layered architecture make Cardano an attractive investment option. The rise in DeFi also plays an important role in the price of Cardano. DeFi space is growing significantly, and with its tiered architecture, Cardano is in the best position to take advantage of the growth of DeFi space. Cardano's success also depends on the number of smart contracts and the dApps platform it can support. With this in mind, we know that the team behind Cardano is actively improving the platform. Cardano, the only peer-reviewed blockchain, goes beyond its ability to overcome all the challenges posed in that way. So to answer the question, yes, Cardano can be a millionaire maker. Cardano is one of the busiest daily transactions, and its market capitalization is increasing exponentially. Cryptocurrencies are very popular with both crypto enthusiasts and investors who think Cardano could be the investment of the next millionaire maker. Looking at Cardano's price history, we can see that prices are relatively stable and maintain a positive trend. Several price forecasts support Cardano's growth potential. Most technical analysis and price forecasts predict that Cardano will be bullish over the next few years, but the cryptocurrency market remains relatively volatile. ADA prices can be affected by market sentiment, which can change at any time and cause serious losses to investors. Cryptocurrency prices are notorious for being difficult to predict. Therefore, it is wise to consider all factors and thoroughly research before investing in Cardano and other cryptocurrencies. So, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you hit like and subscribe to our channel. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section.